Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa and this is my kitchen. In today's video, I wanted to share a really easy go-to recipe. I do this one at least once a week. The kids absolutely love it. It never fails. And it's something I can make the night before after they're in bed, and I can just be in the kitchen by myself and relax and know that I'm preparing them something that they're definitely going to enjoy. It really stops the morning fight of everyone like, I don't want to eat that, I don't want to eat that. So yeah, I love making this one and I'm going to show you how I make it. So tonight I am making an apple pie quick oat recipe, but you can use different kinds of fruits such as bananas, blueberries, strawberries, even peaches. You can do this with dried fruit, fresh fruit, frozen fruit, but I'm going to do apple pie today. So I used about half a container of the Quaker Oats oatmeal. It's about almost 3 pounds in that whole thing, so about 1.5 pounds. Then I added half a cup of brown sugar. You could go a little less on that. I kind of went heavy this time. And then a 1/4 cup of black chia seeds. Any chia seed will do. You can even leave out the chia seeds if you like. And then about a tablespoon, maybe a little over a tablespoon of cinnamon. And a few good shakes of nutmeg. I love adding nutmeg to this. It just gives it another dimension of flavor. And we're just going to stir that around a little bit. And then we're going to add our apples. And you don't have to add maple syrup, but I like to add maple syrup to mine. And I know you'll all notice that I used quite a bit of sweetener in this. I kind of measure with my heart and I went a little overboard because I'm making a recipe video and that's just what happens sometimes. So you definitely don't need to add as much sweetener as I just did, but we are adding a lot of milk to this, so it does get thinned out and it tastes great. So. But I know we all typically don't want to be feeding our children a bunch of sugar first thing in the morning. So go as your heart leads you. And now I'm adding milk. I had about 4 cups of milk in this jar. This is a quart jar. And I'm going to be adding a little bit more because I can see that it's not quite covering the oats. And these oats will just absorb so much of the milk overnight. And another thing you can do is you can add just a little bit, and then in the morning you can add some more milk just to thin it out. And yeah, and then I just add a little bit of salt because salt makes everything better. Just going to stir that up a little more and make sure all the brown sugar is dissolved, and we just want, all of the oats to be nice and wet. And I give it a little taste just to see if it needs anything else, and yep, it's pretty sweet. And I think it's good on the flavor, and we're just going to add another 2 cups of milk to this and give her another stir. All right, so that's really it. I always feel like I should say more about the recipes I do, but it's just kind of, there it is. And it tastes great, and the kids are going to love it, and we're just going to cover it in saran wrap and put her in the fridge. And as in my usual style, I did not get up in time to get any good videos of this before the kids cracked into it, but that is totally okay. That is what I expected to happen. But we're here now, and you can see what it looks like now. This is such a great summer breakfast because it's cold and it's easy for the kids to do themselves. And mommy gets to sleep in a little bit more. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to see you back for some more videos. And give me a comment down below if you tried it. What do you think? And what changes did you make to the recipe? And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.